update. I got this shelf built here. And down here, I've done some organizing. Have all my mason jars, all my little faux flowers. Got all my ribbons. Can't really see in the back. I'll get a better picture later. And on the bottom, I have all my important files and a couple miscellaneous things. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be doing that shelf, and then we'll be putting lots of this stuff back on the shelves and going towards the top. I have my next shelf done. It may need a second coat, I'm not sure yet. Down here, I've got some of my craft items here, and then Harry Potter box from the last book that was released July 21st. So I have that. I don't want to get rid of that, so I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm probably gonna move this stuff down here, or at least some of it, and then work my way up. I have 2 shelves left. I'm gonna move my wrapping paper. I'm gonna put it on the side of one of the sides of my desk. I'm not sure yet. And then I will be able to get my office more together. My last shelf, then I've got the top. I'll just leave the top how it is up here. Because, I mean, I'm not even gonna see that, whatever. But this is a pretty decent bookshelf, but the people who lived here before, who did all the renovations in this house and built everything themselves, were not the most knowledgeable. I think they were just trying to be budget friendly, but I mean, everything's crooked, it's gappy, it's whatever. So I'm just trying to make the best of it, because I'm not building a new bookshelf. So I'm almost done, and hopefully we'll have the finished product tonight. So this is my office. The mirror and sconce set I got online for like 10 bucks. The weight set, I don't remember who gave it to us, but we got it. It's pretty cool. It's my ink and my quill. And here's my candle from Gobstone Alley. Got my hourglass here. And phone, of course. My office. Lamp. Slytherin common room portrait. Love it so much. Let's go this way. There's my calendar. There's my chair with a blanket, pillow, my school stuff under there. The desk is a roll top I also bought online. I think I paid $50 for it, but I mean, it's a solid desk. It's got a lot of compartments, a lot of drawers, so it's super helpful. Next, I got this online. The sticker is still on it from Pottery Barn for 60 bucks. I got it for 10. It's missing a little hooky thing, but I'm just gonna get one and replace it. But yeah, I've got my Hogwarts alumni hat hanging. Just a couple little things that I could just toss things in if I need to. This actually held my Incendio candle when it wasn't burning. I've got that, and this is my finished bookshelf right there. I'm not the cleanest painter, but I'm happy with the production, whatever, I don't know. Anyways, top shelf here. We have my Star Wars memorabilia. A couple Lord of the Rings up here. I love Lord of the Rings, I'm just not big on the collecting for that. Next, we have my first Harry Potter shelf. This is my most full. It's got my Wolfsbane potion, flu powder that I made. You can check that video out. It is on this channel. Got my original books that I read. That little guy. A couple books that I had from when I was younger. Time Turner there. Some cards. Dobby. That poster back there is from the Deathly Hallows release. More cards. This is like the game set of this, I believe. So it's crazy that I have those cards now that we're getting them again. Over here I have my pumpkin juice that I got from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Universal Studios Orlando. Got my original Quidditch Through the Ages and Fantastic Beasts, Tales of Ida the Bard, a couple J.K. Rowling biographies or autobiographies, a couple notebooks, coloring books and such. Next we have Another Harry Potter shelf, go figure. Got my house banner there from the last Gobstone Alley box. Sorry, I'm sniffling. Got Harry Potter there, got some pins, bookmark my dad got me, pin from my Gobstone Alley box here. My cards, my scarf, my wand, of course, there she is in all her glory. Little portrait back there. Umbridge plates there. My Cozy Teas elves. Another pin, Talbrettle's diary. Chocolate frog. Next, down to less exciting stuff depending on what you're interested in. Here I have my box from the release. My dad actually snagged it from Walmart. It says do not open before July 21st. So I had a box of those books in there when they were being released. Just a couple fabrics here, tissue paper, some tape, some stencils. Got my craft bag here that is stuffed full of stuff. Next, I have a bunch of mason jars from our wedding, a couple other decorations, decorative flowers here, some, what is that, jute, I believe, and just a bunch of ribbon. Like in behind here is ribbon too. So then down here I just have least exciting stuff, some files, some other files here, some hooks that we had in our apartment that we haven't put up yet. Here's just some extra Christmas lights and some cards we received. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff, if you'd like to see something else like this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to hop on here because I don't know if I got my face in some of these clips. I don't remember. I'm getting ready to edit them now. So I just want to let you know that I've been extremely busy. We had my kids and Nana out of town, so we kind of had to finagle watching my kids and my two nieces. So it's been kind of hectic. I've been trying to get stuff done around the house, like the shelf and a couple other things, and getting it ready. So it's been really busy. Also, I'm so tired. I just need to like take a little bit of time off, take a little bit longer for like my mental well-being. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I freaking love my shelf. It was like a natural woody color before, but I love it now because it ties in with my desk here and everything. And I'm just so pleased with this room. And I know there's a glare on my glasses. I'm sorry, okay? Excuse my hair as well, but you know what? I'm a mom and it's been a day. So I'm getting ready to do some homework now. So I'm going to edit this, do my homework. Peace.